Hi, I'm Frank Calavo, president of Computer Comforts, and I'm just going to take a couple minutes here today to introduce you to one of our most popular instructor lecterns. It's called the IT60 because it's an instructor table and it's 60 inches wide. This particular model, I've designed it so there's a 14U, which translates to 24 inches of rack space. It has rack rails in the front and in the back. The back door is locking. This front surface is adjustable, so it's a sit to stand. It's a sit to stand surface, and all you need to do is tilt it, and it'll adjust and it'll lock in place anywhere you let go. This also makes it wheelchair ADA compliant, which is very important at most schools and universities. So if the teacher's 5'2" or 6'2", no problem. Just adjust it and go. We also build a little cable cubby into the tabletop. It's nice for charging, for some cable pass-throughs. And this unit runs around $1,750. And that's about it. For more info, you can go to computercomforts with an S at the end.com. Thanks.